Hey everyone, it's expressAmber, and it's everyone's favorite day of the week, the day that I give you express information to keep you trucking in the express lane. Let's go. Today, I will be tackling one of your most frequently asked questions. At ExpressTruckTax, we are number one for a reason. And that reason is that we have immersed ourselves in the trucking industry. So when you have frequently asked questions and you're typing them into Google, I have your answers. One question that we see a lot is, how do I file my Form 2290? There's a couple of ways that you can do this. Number one is you can paper file. If you have between 1 and 24 trucks, you can paper file your Form 2290. And what that means is that you're literally filling out a piece of paper, mailing it to the IRS, and it can take weeks and weeks to get back an acceptance letter. And God forbid, if there's something wrong with the return, they would send you a rejection and then you would have to do the whole process over. The other way that you can file your return, your Form 2290, is by e-filing that. And that's where ExpressTruckTax comes into play. We are the number one e-file provider authorized by the IRS. And what that means is a lot of big words to say that we've created ExpressTruckTax to be easy, simple, and efficient for you to go and file your Form 2290. If you already have an account, you can just sign into your account. If you have filed with us before, you can copy last year's return, making sure all of the information is the same, and then sending it to the IRS. Literally takes you less than 5 minutes. If you're new to ExpressTruckTax, you can register for an account. It's free. Enter in your business information, your truck information, and then send it off to the IRS. Again, it's very, very simple, and we've made it that way for a reason. With the trucking industry, we are immersed, so we know what you guys go through every single day on a daily basis. And taxes are not something that you should be focused on. You should be focusing on your business and making sure that you're making money. So we've created ExpressTruckTax as an easy, simplified way for you to file your Form 2290. For more answers to your frequently asked questions, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing these videos throughout the next couple of weeks. Or you can call ExpressTruckTax at 704-234-6005.